Hey guys, MotorCarNut here, and I'm making a quick video to show you guys when you change your oil on time, 3 to 4,000 miles, regardless if it's synthetic or conventional oil. This is the reward you get. Look how clean this engine is. All right, this engine has 110,000 miles on it. All right, nice and clean, no sludge. All right, the valve cover, look at this. No sludge on the valve cover. All right, running perfectly. And number one thing is the oil changes. All right, the oil changes and air filter changes. That's another one. All right, but when you change your oil on time and you maintain, make sure it doesn't go low, these engines will last a very long time, 200,000 miles more, even more. All right, you see how clean it is? Look at the lobes, no sludge in between over here. You usually see them, they're all caked up. And you can imagine the breathers on these cars, the PCV, and all of that stuff gets all clogged up. I mean, from normal emissions, they get, you have to maintain them because they get dirty. This person, the owner of this car, maintained it, and it's just a pleasure to work on. I'm just doing the seal leaked. But that's normal. It has nothing to do with any kind of an oil problem. All right, so always change your oil. It may seem like not a big deal, but it is. It's a very big deal. All right, it's just like when you go jogging. If you don't bring water with you, how are you going to feel in 4 hours? Well, can you imagine going 110,000 miles without water? You get the idea. Anyhow. All right, guys, so, just looking out for you. Change your oil. MotorCarNut. Please subscribe. Hit that like button. Any questions below pertaining to the video, I answer them all. I try to help everybody out. And I see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.